Hello. So what the heck is affiliate marketing and advertising? What does that mean? Well, when someone is an affiliate marketer, they work for a company or an individual, okay? And they help them move their products and services to consumers who want them, okay? It's really pretty simple. Because you were involved in the sale of the item, you get a percentage of the money, okay? Now, sometimes this is really big. I've seen programs where you keep 75% of all the profit. Some I've seen you can keep 100% on certain items. And sometimes you make a very small amount of money. You can keep 1% of the money, okay? It ranges all over the place. Some affiliate programs out there, you make $1 a sale, okay? And there's also some affiliate programs where you make $5,000 per sale of an item, okay? Very big. So that it ranges all over the place. And some programs you can earn a residual income. This means you do the work one time and you can make money over and over again, just like a royalty or maybe a dividend on a stock or even like a rent. If you own a place, you rent it out, same concept, but you could do that, okay, in affiliate marketing. Some examples of that would be maybe like membership programs, software, stuff like that. All right, and how long this lasts, it depends, of course, right? There's also something called being a CPA affiliate. This means cost per action. And what this means is someone pays you not on the sale of an item, but on an action. Usually it's the lead that you generate for somebody, and they'll give you a very small amount of money because you generate the lead. It's very similar to like putting ads on a website and you make money when someone clicks on the ad. It's kind of similar to that, okay? All right. Some people think that to do affiliate marketing, what that entails is really posting links all over the internet and then hoping and praying someone clicks on a link and buys something, okay? And this is really the wrong approach, all right? A much better approach is to use a variety of traffic sources out there and then drive the traffic, people, the visitors, to an opt-in page, okay? An opt-in page means someone opts in to get more information on a topic, really to generate a lead for yourself, okay? To get on like a list, some people call that. It's really just to get more information on something. Then you can use that lead to promote a wide variety of products. Okay, uh, an affiliate offers many different ways and approaches you can do that. The reason why this is a much smarter approach and much better approach, easier, is because you make the most amount of money per lead that you generate. Okay, this is really means less work and more money for yourself. Okay, that's why this is a great idea. And what I like to do, I like the idea of really just promoting a wide range of products, okay? Low ticket items are really, really good too in the beginning. Some residual income products. So you do the work one time and continue to make money, which are great. As well as some high ticket items where you can make a few $1,000s per sale. And this could be really great for yourself and the person who you're trying to help too, okay? All right. And now what's really cool about affiliate marketing is there's so many different approaches you can take with it. You can either build the system yourself, okay, which you can do. Another idea is you can actually use somebody else's system, which I think is a great idea, especially if you're new and you haven't really made that much money. You can piggyback on the success of somebody else, okay? And Harry Truman was the president of the United States, all right? Uh, right after, well, anyways, it was around World War II time, right? And what he said, which I like his quotes, is it's amazing what you can accomplish in life if you do not care who gets the credit. Okay, and there's a lot of truth to that too, you know. So that's why I think it's a great idea to even piggyback on someone else's success. So even Warren Buffett did that when he got started. He called it riding someone's coattails. Anyways, so the pros to affiliate marketing is it offers you a lot of freedom. Probably the most amount of freedom that I've seen any other business model out there. And if you've seen a business model with more freedom, please tell me because I would check it out. but I have not seen any of that. You could do it any hour of the day. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing this right now. You could do that. You could do it 12 o'clock at night, anytime, anywhere you want. Okay, like I said, you could do it. You could travel around the globe, and you could travel to another city and do this. As long as you have an internet connection, you can make money on demand. That's pretty powerful. That's really cool. That think about it. Before the internet, you couldn't. It would be very hard to do that. It offers you a ton of flexibility on how you want to work the business. There's many different ideas on getting traffic that you can do. I don't even do all the methods that I know about because I just don't have the time. There's also a lot of niches you can get into. Okay, uh, so whatever niche that you're interested in, there's a good chance there's a way that you could really make some good money out of that. Um, online. Okay, with affiliate marketing. All right. Now let's talk about the negatives. What are the negatives with affiliate marketing? The biggest negative I honestly feel there is when it comes to affiliate marketing is the money is inconsistent. Okay, that's from my own personal experience doing this a really long time. Some months I've made really good money. I mean a few thousand, I mean thousands of dollars a month, and there's some months where I've barely made any money. Okay, so the money is really kind of all over the place. That's what I've noticed for myself. Okay, even if you promote residual income products, people can still cancel, and so it's not really guaranteed. Okay, it's not like an hourly job or whatever. You punch your clock and you just do what you're told. So that's really the biggest drawback to affiliate marketing. That's why I think it's a great idea to do it part time while you're doing something else to pay the bills. Okay, all right. Another big negative with affiliate marketing is if you do not know what you're doing, you will just not make a lot of money. Okay, and this happened to me when I got started because I was arrogant and I thought I knew everything and I just was doing everything all wrong. So you gotta do it. You gotta do the right thing, and that's gonna really help you put money in your pocket. If you do the wrong stuff, then you're just not gonna make any money. Okay, and I know that from a fact. All right. So, all right, now if you're wondering, okay, well, how does that relate to advertising? Well, I'm actually currently reading the book Ogilvy on Advertising, which is a pretty interesting book. He ran like a big advertising company in New York. What he says, advertising is just a way to communicate with people. So I hope this helped you in some small amount of way. If you do want to give affiliate marketing a try, the most important skill, there's a lot of skills to learn, but the most important skill is really how to promote offers, okay? Because you could do that even if you don't have a list. If you have not one social media account, you could still make some good money with affiliate marketing without a list, opt-in page, all that stuff, if you know how to promote offers. There's a right way to do this and there's a wrong way to do this. And if you don't do it, it's very hard to make any money. Okay, that's why it's a valuable skill. And if you want to learn, how to do this the right way, just click that link below, or check out my website at trustthelink.com. You can trust the link. Okay. All right. I wish you the best. Your comments and thoughts are always appreciated as well down below. Have a very awesome and great rest of your day. Bye.